Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and the Scrap 5 Challenge. That's where we have a list of 5 things that we have to use, and we all take turns picking them out. And I think Shannon picked this month's out, and it's Puffy Anything, Miss Splatters, multi-title font, black, and use a punch. And this is probably one of the fastest layouts I have ever made. Seriously. I forgot we were changing it to the first of the month. And I get up this morning and I go to watch YouTube and there's Scrap 5 everywhere. And I'm thinking, what in the world? And then it hit me. I fell down on the job. So yeah, within 30 minutes, seriously, I picked my picture, picked what I was going to use, and started scrapping. It's kind of minimal. I don't have a whole lot on here, but I like it. I like the way it turned out. And I used the Wander um, collection. Oh, I'm thinking Pink Paisley, but it's Wander anyway. And of course, I've got a white background here. And it said to use black, so I am using black. I backed my picture in white and then black and use a punch. And I'm using a punch right now. And I'm a little bit out of frame, but sorry. I love this punch. It's one of my most favorite punches. And it's kind of like a lattice. And I'm going to put it on the bottom of that strip that's going across there. And then that other piece that I cut, I'm going to put at the top. And I'm not going to put this down very firmly. I'm just going to kind of gingerly put it down so I can slide this piece underneath. And the other one I'm just going to put on top. I'm not sliding it underneath. And look, I had a little bit of trouble there getting that straight. But I did get it straight. My adrenaline was totally going on this layout. It was like one of those time layouts where you have a timer going. Only I didn't have the timer going this time. But I was still conscious of how long it was taking me on it. And yeah, those papers are awesome. So no matter what, I figured if I use them, my layout will still turn out good. And here's my title, and it's was going to be These Boys Are Always Better Together, but I pulled the letters from my How to Kill a Kit with Style since it was right there, and I didn't have to go in a drawer and look because, I was on a timer here. Not really, but I was on a timer here. And I just didn't have the letters. When I started putting it down, I didn't have the letters. So I am going to change it all to Always Better Together, and I am going to move those 2 words up since I didn't have all the words that I planned on having. And yeah, but that is like practically the only thing that I cut out of this video. But yeah, Always Better Together. And these are my 2 grandsons, and we were going to go to a professional photo shoot that day. And the boys were out on the porch waiting on myself and my daughter. And I walked out the door and I had my camera in my hand. Yeah, I know, taking a camera to a professional photo shoot. It was going to be outside. And I thought, well, I'm going to take my camera anyway. If I see something I want to take a picture of, I'm going to take a picture of it. Well, since I had it in my hand, those boys were laughing and talking, and I thought, I have to take their picture. But they are so cute. You could tell they're tickled in there, and Casey even has his tongue out. And I don't understand why, but he looks so cute with it out because he is tickled there. And I still don't know what they were talking about, but yeah, I thought it was a cute picture, and I scrapped it for my daughter for her album, but I had never scrapped it for mine. So this one's for mine. Well, unless somebody talks me out of it. But I think I'm going to keep it. This one's going to be in mine. I'm always scrapping for somebody else's album before mine. These are enamel dots, and there's something home, but they're Echo Park. But as soon as I seen them, I thought they will go perfect with this paper. So I stuck them in there, which I was glad because that was one less thing I had to go hunting for. And I also had these puffy stickers in there. The goldenrod looking ones are Evilicious, and then The black ones are L Studio. And this is Mr. Huey's bookworm, and I thought it'd go great with it too. But yeah, I, I really appreciate you all watching, and be sure to check out the other gals. And if you want to join in, put hashtag Scrap5 on Instagram so we can see what you create with this list of 5. But thank y'all for watching again. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. And thank you for the wonderful comments that you leave. But have a happy scrappy week, and try the hashtag Scrap5 and do this list. Shannon's the one who came up with the list, and it's a fun list to do. But have a happy scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.